Simply Ashanti, and I am back once again with another video with you guys. Y'all, today is going to be a Sunday reset vlog. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna try to get this video by the end of the night. So I really gotta be on the road with this because we got a lot to do today. I'm gonna try to get a lot done today, and y'all gonna spend time with your girl. Cause at first I was, making content every day for y'all, but y'all, some things been going on, okay? So what's been going on in this video is, y'all, I'm sick. I ain't sick. I just got a runny nose, a little stuffiness. Okay. So I got that, and then I'm on my monthly cycle, my period. So if you see me get overwhelmed or feeling tired, look tired, that's why. And I just woke up and it's like 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna try to get this video up and loaded before probably 10 or 11 tonight, because I have a lot to do. I'm gonna try to hurry up and do everything that I need to do so I can add this video up in time. So yeah, I got my book here. So this is my content, where I make all my content and stuff that I'm gonna be doing for my videos. So I do suggest y'all to get a notebook because this really helped me. Some people get content planners. Me personally, I use content planners, but like only when I want to be cute, okay? But I always have a notebook for everything, for my business, for YouTube, for other stuff. Always get you a notebook, y'all. But anyways, so what we're gonna be doing today is I am going to be cleaning. I got to finish my hair because I'm putting some braids in my hair, y'all, and I just gotta finish that. A little body care. I'm gonna take me a shower, let y'all know what everything I use when I'm on my cycle, and then a little self-care. I gotta paint my toes, do my nails. And I think that's it. And I might do me a little facial or whatever. So y'all just stay tuned if I do that. And then I gotta plan content for this week because I do want to start making content for y'all every week and be able to be on a consistent schedule with y'all. So today is gonna be the first day of content, but I still gotta plan more content for this week for y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna post every day, but I'm definitely gonna try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week, per week. But sometimes I might split, like mix it up. Like one week I might do like a weekly vlog with y'all, something like that, something simple, that y'all can spend the week with me. But I'm gonna try to make content for y'all at least 2 to 3 times a week if I don't do a weekly vlog. So without further ado, we finna get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a new video.
Look at you too often, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Y'all, so I've been reading this little book every day. It's called Promises from God's Heart, Comforting Truth from Women. I definitely recommend y'all should read this book. I know some people don't believe in God, but like for those of you who do, this is a great book. So I definitely recommend go get this. I think you can find this on Amazon. I really forgot where I got it from. Yeah, so yeah. Make sure I go get this book.
Whichever one is in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9.
So yeah, I'm in the bathroom and I'm getting ready to take my shower, do all my body care stuff, and go ahead and do my hair too. Body care and self-care. Is this bag here. And what I got in here is
I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too.
I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna use my coconut oil moisturizing cream. And I'm just gonna put this on my body.
Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Y'all, I'm gonna get really started on my hair. So y'all, I finished my hair. Period. I'm gonna do my nails and the glue. And if you want a detailed video on how I apply these or how I put these on, then just go to the other video of how I do my nails. I got a video on my channel, so I'm gonna do these and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna edit this video. I thought I was gonna have time for it to be up today for a Sunday reset, but I don't have time to edit it and then upload it. So I'm just gonna upload it tomorrow because it's already 11:30. I didn't know it was gonna take me this long to finish my hair. It usually don't take this long, but I ain't gonna cap. I did take a lot of breaks. I was talking on the phone, watching YouTube. I was just doing a whole lot, eating. So that's why it took so long. But like I said, I'm gonna put these on and then I'm going to be right back. I finished. The last step with y'all of what I do with my nails. So this is the last step. Oh, it be so hard to open sometimes.
When shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs.
But anywho, y'all, that is all for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.